A bold splash of sunrise yellow has just brightened up Japan's sports car scene. But getting behind the wheel of these new Toyota and Subaru Coupes won't be as simple as placing an order. The Toyota GR86 RZ Yellow Limited and Subaru BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition are being released in extremely limited numbers, with just 300 units of each available. To make things even more exclusive, buyers will need to win a lottery system in order to secure one. The Toyota GR86 RZ Yellow Limited serves as Japan's answer to the U.S. market Yuzu Special Edition, but with a slightly different formula. Painted in sunrise yellow, this edition pays homage to the 2015 Toyota 86 GT Yellow Limited, a fan favorite among enthusiasts. The coupe sits on 18-inch dark gray metallic alloy wheels, creating a striking contrast with the bright paintwork. Beyond looks, Toyota has added meaningful performance upgrades. The car features Brembo brakes with ventilated discs and red calipers, plus Sachs dampers to enhance suspension dynamics. These refinements aim to give the car sharper stopping power and improved handling for spirited driving. Inside, the yellow theme carries over with perforated upholstery inserts and stitching across the seats, steering wheel, gear selector, and door panels. Subtle yellow limited lettering on the doors adds a touch of exclusivity, while the rest of the cabin remains driver-focused with a dominant black trim finish. Subaru's version of this exclusive duo, the BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition, shares the same sunrise yellow exterior but carries its own distinctive touches. The coupe rolls on black 18-inch alloy wheels, complemented by gold brake calipers and blacked-out Subaru emblems for a more aggressive aesthetic. Chassis-wise, it mirrors the existing BRZ STI Sport trim, already equipped with Brembo brakes and sport-tuned suspension. This means the Subaru retains its sharp driving dynamics while standing out with its unique styling package. The cabin continues the theme with yellow stitching over black ultra suede and leather upholstery, along with BRZ Yellow Edition badging on the doors. It's a subtle yet eye-catching setup that reflects Subaru's balance of performance and refinement. Both the Toyota and Subaru stick with their proven 2.4-liter naturally aspirated boxer engine, producing 232 HP and 250 Nm of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic, keeping the purest driving experience intact. While there are no performance upgrades under the hood, the focus of these editions is clearly on style, exclusivity, and small but meaningful chassis refinements. Perhaps the most defining aspect of these models is their limited availability. Each version is capped at 300 units for Japan only, making them highly collectible. Pricing starts at 3,897,000 yen for the Toyota GR86 RZ Yellow Limited and 4,180,000 yen for the Subaru BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition. To secure one, hopeful buyers must enter a lottery system, making ownership more about luck than simply writing a check. In an era when special editions often rely on flashy cosmetic tweaks, Toyota and Subaru have struck a balance between heritage-inspired design and meaningful performance upgrades. For Japanese enthusiasts, these yellow twins are more than just cars. They are lottery-only collector's items that celebrate the enduring spirit of lightweight, rear-wheel drive sports cars.